So came out to the garage to have a little trail of water going out here from my washer. All right, so just a heads up, everyone, don't go cheap on these. Don't get some cheap thing off of Amazon. Think just because it's less expensive, it's going to be better. So I just got these literally less than a month ago. They were doing fine, but then both of them started leaking right out of here, this top portion. Yeah, so I just had water coming out. Like, what's going on? Anyways, my previous ones I had for what, like 15 years, no issues at all, and then these only last a month. So don't go cheap on water hoses. So went down to my local Ace Hardware, and I'm gonna be installing these. Made in the USA. I think it might make a difference here. All right, let's get these installed, get these off of here real quick. Okay, so we're just gonna remove these. Should just about a quarter turn to loosen it, really. Oh, you don't put these on very tight. Oops. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There we are. Usually just hand tighten these and then just take a little, like a quarter turn with the wrench there. Okay. Plumbing. What are these called? Washing machine connector. Plumbing master. Made. Yeah, didn't last a month. Pretty disappointed with that, actually. They were working fine and just started leaking around that seam there, so not happy with that. All right, so these are nice and marked for hot and cold here. Easy to see, obviously. And come with these little washers here, so go ahead and put these washers in first. And these are marked clearly. This is hot. Take our red one, our red hose here. Make sure we put our washer down in there. Just like that. And connect this to the hot. One thing I did like about those other ones is they curve down, but that doesn't matter how nice they are if they just leak. So there's hot. Same thing with this one. Put my little washer in there. Okay, and connect this one. Usually you can just get away with just hand tightening them, but sometimes you need a little bit more. Then double check your water, make sure that hot is hot and cold is cold. So if you're not sure, you can usually feel the pipe and one will be warmer than the other. If it's not, go ahead and just get like a little bucket, put it under there. Oops. And that's definitely warm water coming out of there. So that one is our hot. Okay, so we'll just connect this one right here. Oops. Almost forgot. Forgot to put my washer in. Okay, now we're good. Put my washer in. And we tighten that down. Okay. Take our blue hose and then just attach that one right there. Okay. Just back out our water and turn that one on. There we go. And I'm just going to take these and just do just a little bit more of a turn here. About a quarter of a turn. All right. Then take this and also just about a quarter of a turn here. All right. Look for leaks. I'm seeing none. I don't anticipate any. Yeah, just really disappointed. So don't go cheap with water hoses, my friends. It might, if this washer was not in my garage, I would have had a serious leak problem, especially if I'd gone for a few days, because it was starting to leak slowly, and then I literally had a trail of water going out. So that's how you connect your water lines to your washer. Yeah, don't go cheap on your lines unless you want a major problem. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching. Cheaper isn't always better. Sometimes you get what you pay for. Have a good day.